Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened with my video. But we have a $1.50 off Downy Tie Gain or Dress fabric rinse. $2 off beads. $2 off Dawn Power Wash. So these are some really good coupons. So what I was doing is I spent some time today just planning out my scenarios of how I'm going to use these coupons. I think I'm going to use some of them at Giant Food Store because right now they're having a special where you buy 3 Gain products, not 3 Gain products, 3 P&G products, and you get $10 off. Plus you can combine them with these coupons. So it's a couple different scenarios that I was going to use those for. So I'll probably do that tomorrow and come back and let you guys know how that works. But you can use these at just about any store, Dollar General, CVS, for those of you who have Publix, Walgreens, Safeway. So if you're in those areas, try to look and see what things are on sale in their inserts or on their app and combine them with these coupons. But I'll bring you those deals tomorrow. But I just want to let you know, be on the lookout. You should have gotten these in your mail already. If you haven't, check with your neighbors, check with relatives. If they're not going to use them, ask them if you can have them. Get these coupons. These are going to be terrific deals for you. And for those of you who are looking to purchase some of the coupons, be on the lookout because probably tomorrow, either tomorrow or Saturday, but most likely tomorrow, I'll be letting you know where you can purchase those locally in like the Harrisburg area because I have a connect and her coupons will be arriving tomorrow, which is Friday. So besides planning out my savings for the P&G coupons, the other thing that I did, I hated to go out in this cold, but I did go out and do a little bit of savings at Giant. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I got this scope for absolutely free. And I know you guys might be like, oh, that's so little. You get 1 or 2 uses out of it. I don't care if I get 1 use out of it. It is free. And I'm going to show you how I got it for free. And I want you guys to take notes about how I got this deal for free because it comes around a lot. And if it comes around like once a month, if you think about it and you get 12 of them in a month, then you know, those are great to take on vacation. They are great to put in little gift sets. Like during Christmas time, I actually sell little travel sets and people love them to put as stocking stuffers. They love them to give to their coworkers. And I usually have like all travel size stuff. So like this, a toothbrush, a deodorant, shampoo, I already said deodorant, I'm sorry. Body wash and things like that, and people love them and I sell them like crazy. So at Giant, these are located in the travel section. They're 99¢. Now they have 2 different ones. They have this one and then they have the blue one. This one is 99¢, and I'm going to show you on the app. Look, see, it's 99¢. And then there's the blue one pictured up there. They have the blue one also. Here, I'll show you that. So the blue one is a little more expensive. The blue one is $1.09. You guys know I'm going to go with the cheapest, which is 99¢. And the reason why I chose to go with that one is because when you scan it into the Giant app, look, you have this coupon that comes up. For $1 off. And this is a little glitch that happens at Giant because this is not supposed to come off a travel size. It's only supposed to come off a regular size. But for some reason, they have not fixed it at Giant. And I've been getting this mouthwash for free for probably 2 or 3 years now. And like I said, it comes around like at least once a month or once every other month. And every time I go and I get my free mouthwash. So the coupon is for $1. The mouthwash is 99 cents. So I always make sure that I put this deal in with something else, and then I have a 1 cent overage. If not, what'll happen is you go through the register and it'll just be free. Okay. But if you get the blue one, then you'll have to put 10 cents to it, because that one is $1.09. But guess what, guys? If I ever go and they don't have the green one, I'll get the blue one. It's not a problem. I'll pay the 10 cents. The other deal that I got was on a Febreze small space. Now, when you go to Giant, check out the small space sections, because there's a couple of different small spaces that are on sale. Not all of them, but certain scents. So, for instance, I got this one right here, which is like a special edition Febreze small space. This is an Old Spice scent. And this is actually on clearance for 1 second here. It's on clearance for $3.22. Now, when you scan it in the Giant app, you're going to have this $2.50 coupon pop up. Or you can use the $2.50 coupon that's in this saver if you have it. So that's great, because guess what? That brings this small space down to 72 cents. So I won't use this in my house. So with this, I'll normally put this in a Father's Day bundle, a man's Valentine's Day basket, a men's college basket, but something pertaining to men, or I'll resell it to a man in like a cleaning bundle. But I'll charge like $2.50 in my bundle for this. So this is a pretty good buy. But this was the only one that my store had there. But I do know there are some other ones that are marked down to that price. It's just that my store didn't have them, so I couldn't get it to show it to you. But my biggest flex that I got, guys, that I'm really happy about are my Kleenex wipes. So this deal, I'm going to warn you, the Kleenex wipes deal, you have to go do it today. Today is the very last day that you can take advantage of this deal. So the Kleenex wipes, and you have to get the ones that are 35 wipes, 7.7 ounces. So I got one of each. I got one lemon and this one. So I got the yellow and the green one. They are on sale, 2 for $5. The sale ends today, tonight, January 1st. So that's why I say you have to go do this deal today. So them being on sale 2 for $5, that's a good deal all in itself, right? Paying $5 for 2 things of Clorox wipes. But what makes this deal even better is because if you scan it into your Giant app, what's going to happen is you're going to have a digital coupon pop up that is going to allow you to save $2 on 2 of them. So I didn't pay 2 for $5. I paid $3 for 2, or $1.50 each. So at Giant, these are normally $3.39. So basically, I got these Clorox wipes for less than 50% off, because I paid $1.50 each for them. So those were my savings finds for today. Tomorrow, I'll come back with some more things for you guys. But one thing that I want to tell you guys that I do every single year, but I wasn't able to do it today, because when I got in line and paid for my items, I got in line where you could only use a credit card. You couldn't pay with cash. And in order to do this savings tip, you have to pay with cash. So what I do is at the end of every day, starting January 1st, at the end of every day, I take all the change that's in my coat pocket, my pockets that I have in my clothes, and in my purse, and I put it in a jar. And then on New Year's Eve, I cash that jar in, and then I either pay a bill with it. I either treat myself to something that I've wanted all year long, or I buy something for my business. So it's a way of saving all year long towards something that you just what did it or wouldn't buy for yourself throughout the year. But you'd be surprised at how that change adds up, because normally when I cash my jar in, I usually have anywhere from like $150 to $200 worth of change that is extra money that I can do something with. So as we're going through our 31 days of savings and couponing, I'll be dumping my money in the jar and showing you guys. And then I'm going to count it at the end of the day. Excuse me, at the end of the month, but I can't show you it today because I don't have any cash. But the trick to it is not to spend your change. So if you go in line and your total is 501, don't give them a penny. Give them $6 so they can give you 99 cents back. So never spend your change, just save it towards the end of the day and then put it in a jar, a bottle, I don't know, whatever you want to put your change in a bank, and then cash it in at the end of the year. So I'm not going to cash my change in at the end of the month. I'm just going to count it to show you guys how quickly it adds up. And how fast, you know, all that little change that you don't really think about can really make a difference and a strong impact in your budgeting and your savings. So guys, thanks for tuning in. This is day 1 of couponing and savings. I hope you guys learned a little something. I hope you're able to take advantage of the tips. And tomorrow I will have some other things for you. We're probably going to talk about I'm probably going to go do the P&G deals. And then we're also going to talk about like Christmas clearance, because there's still tons of Christmas clearance out there. And there's things that you can do with the things, even though it's not Christmas. It's ways you can use those items all year long to save you on your budgeting and planning. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And until the next time, keep on saving.